Good morning, friends. I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of one of the micro cap company. The company name is Magna Electrocasting. So Magna is the business in the manufacturing supplying of ferrous component in small and medium volumes to the user worldwide. Magna is specialized in the manufacturing of ductile iron, gray iron casting in the weight range of 300 gram to the maximum to through 2000 gram. Magna is also added value by the heat treatment, surface treatment machines so that the products are ready to assemble. You can see the product of the company. They are making casting. Okay, these are the different head casting, value body. So lot of casting product companies making used for the automobile industries. You can see the product information here. Casting machine, diffuser, turbocharger, hydraulics, upper cover. So very good casting company. So let's see about more fundamental of the company. Magna Electrocasting is in the manufacturing and selling of the cast iron component. Market cap just 70 crore. Current price is 166. High price 200. Low price 139. PE 16. Very good PE. Book value 169 means right now the particular price is less than their book value. Dividend is 0.9. Return on capital employed 9.7. Very low return on capital employed. Return on equity 7.13. Face value 10. Altman score 5.42. Very good Altman score for the micro cap company. Number of equity share is 0.42. Very low equity share. Growth factor 2. Very low growth factor. Pi Trotsky 6. Solid check 0.09 means promoter has reduced their equity capital. Very good sell. Reserve is 516 times of their particular book value. Very good. Price power you can see 0.9. Very good price power. Asset power is 3.32. There is no pledge. Peg ratio negative. So whenever you see peg ratio negative means there is a very high probability the company can give you high return in the coming days. So you can see this is the long-term chart of the company, how the company was moving down to the upward. Now after the lockdown, after the basically down in 2020, company is still consolidated at 2017 price, not moving upward. But I think after opening, the company give good result. Company has reduced debt. Company is almost debt free. Stock is trading 0.99 times the book value. The company has a poor sales growth of 0.92, low return on equity. Bharat Forge, Sona BLW, AIA Engineering, Mahindra CIA, Ramco Forging, Forging, so all are doing same business what the Magna Electrocast is doing. So you can see about the quarterly sales growth of the company. You can see the quarterly sales growth of the company here, correct? So you can see how the company is giving negative return June 2020, September. After that, December 2020 company positive return, March positive, and June also positive. After that, operating profit is also not very consistent. Operating margin is also very low. Right now you can see 17.6, 15.6. After that again 15, 17, 7, 3, 2, 9. So margin is not consistent. Very fluctuation in margin. So that's why stock is also not moving upward direction. You can see the interest company is not paying in very low interest company is paying. After profit before tax you can see 4.97, now 1.3, 4.02, 0.8. So profit is also very high fluctuation in the profit. Now see the sales, how the company is going. Sales 39 crore, now it is 98 to 100 crore. Since last 10 years, very slow growth. Operating margin, other income is also basically moving from 2 to 1. Interest is also very low. Profit before tax is also very low, 6 crore, now it is also still 6 crore. Net profit 3, now it is 4 5 crore. Okay, so growth negative, very low growth, 1%. Compounded profit growth negative. Stock CAGR just 2%. Return on equity just 12%. Okay, one of the positive sign here for the investor also, the equity capital was 4.58, now it is 4.23. Very good sign. Companies reducing their equity capital. Reserves is 18, now it is showing 67. Reserves also growing slowly. Borrowing, see borrowing how company reduced 20 crore to 10 crore to 5 crore to 3 crore, now 0. Very good sign. Companies reduce their borrowing. Fixed asset is also growing. You can see investment is also no investment right now. If you take cash, you can see how much. What a company had 15 crore cash. Very good sign. Trade receivable 29, inventory 7, loan advance 4, other asset 1.2. Very good and solid companies having maintained very good assets by the company. And if you see the total asset, how much total asset is, how much, sir? 91 crore. What is the market cap of the company, sir? What is the 70 crore? Means asset is higher than their market cap. So you can understand the quality of this company. Okay, very good sign. Cash flow, very maintaining good cash flow here. So you can see about the company, debtor days flat, inventory improve. Okay, days payable also flat, cash conversion improve, working capital improve. So now you can see return on capital employed right now down, but you can give a high rate capital employed. Promoter holding, you can see how slowly promoter is increasing their stock. 42.75, 46.33 in 2019, 48.3 is 2020, 52.46 in 2020 December, 52.58 in June 22. Very good. You can see how promoter is having a full belief on the company and understanding the full concept of the overall requirement of casting, and in the coming days you will see lot of improvement in this company. Public is also slowly if public is also holding intact in this company. You can read about the latest news, general announcement and financial report. Hope this video helped you to understand the fundamental of this company. Very small micro cap company, Magna Electrocasting. Always check with your advisor before investing any kind of companies. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.